Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about how we can practically apply vocal technique into the songs that you're singing. Now, you may be currently training your voice, doing all of the vocal exercises out there, and you may be thinking, how can I practically apply these vocal exercises into the songs that I'm singing so that I can get the most out of them and I can really benefit from them? Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some practical tools to just do that, to really apply those techniques into the songs that you're singing. But first, let's talk about it. So we have more bad habits attached to singing songs than we do when it comes to singing scales, which is why it's super important for us to just detach ourselves from singing songs for a little while, especially when we're doing our vocal technique training. But this is just going to allow us to really hone in and focus on developing our voices, detaching ourselves from the bad habits of singing and building in new habits on the scales with the right exercises specific to your vocal needs. So once you start to develop technique on the scales, you really want to take those vocal exercises that are really helping you to produce the sounds that you want, that are really getting your voice into a good place, that are comfortable, and then you want to begin to then apply those vocal exercises onto the song melodies. You really want to begin to start working them into the songs, you know? So the goal of applying technique into song is to take those exercises that you are the most comfortable with and then to bring those into the song melody and then see if you can retain on the song melody that same feeling that you get, that same experience that you get when you do the exercises on a scale. Can you retain that when it comes to singing? That's what we're looking to do. That's what we're looking to build. We're looking to build in that same coordination on your actual singing, you know? But let me give you some practical tools, some practical exercises to really get these exercises into the song melody so that you can benefit from them. So let's do this. So what I want you to do is I want you to choose a song, then I want you to choose a particular section within that song that's a little bit more on the challenging side. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna record yourself singing that particular section that you wanna work on. You're gonna record it so that you can really listen back to it and really have that before and after. Then once you've recorded it, you're going to find an exercise that works really, really well for your voice. Then you're going to do that exercise on the song melody a couple of times. Then you're going to sing it. And then you're gonna do the exercise again, and then you're gonna sing it, and then you're gonna do the exercise again, and then you're gonna sing it. And you're just gonna keep repeating this process, especially if it feels really good and you're finding that every time that you do the exercise, your voice is opening up that little bit more, or you're just getting a little bit more of what you want from your voice. You're just gonna keep repeating it. And then what you can do is you can start bringing other exercises in that are also good for your voice, you know? So let me just show you, but ultimately it's super simple when it comes to applying technique into song. You're just taking those exercises that are really comfortable for your voice on the scales and you're just bringing them into the song melodies, you know? But let me show you. Let's do this. In the name of love, in the name of love. That simple really when it comes to applying technique into song. It's all just about the repetition. You just have to keep doing that repetition until you get what it is that you want from your voice. So that was practically applying technique into your songs. I hope you found this helpful. Remember, it is all about just breaking it down and doing the repetition with the right exercises, you know, that are working for you. Even if you're breaking down the most challenging part of a song, even if it's just a line, and you keep doing the exercise and then singing and then doing the exercise again and then singing, and keep trying to retain that same experience whilst you're singing. That's what it's all about. It can get a little bit boring, you know, but this is what we need to do. If we want to improve, we need to put in the work, you know. If you put in the work, you will get the results. But until next time, people, I will see you soon. Peace.